Meteorologist Lauren Whitney with a check on your forecast. I saw a little bit of snow earlier this morning, roughly around 2:30 a.m. this morning. Yes. But how is the rest of the day going to shape up for today?
Well, we're clearing out now, so it's moving out, but we're not done with the snow this week. So outside, you can see just some cloud cover, actually a little bit of blue cracking through some of those clouds here in the Denver area. So what we're watching here in the First Alert Weather Center, well, we're looking at clear and cool conditions. We'll actually quiet most of Tuesday, so a little breezy, clear and cool this afternoon here in Denver, and then we're looking at colder temperatures with more snow Tuesday night and into Wednesday, and possibly lasting through Wednesday afternoon. So where we're at right now, just a little bit of light snow that's not even showing up in parts of the high country, and then southeastern Colorado is getting the bulk of the moisture. So here in Denver, again, some of those clouds are starting to break just a little bit, maybe a touch of moisture still hitting the ground up near Greeley, but heavier rain is down in southeastern Colorado along with some heavy snow. The dark purple shows you where the heaviest of the snowfall is in Los Animas County. We're starting to wrap up, but this will take several hours to clear out in the southeastern part of the state. So we do still have a winter storm warning through 5 o'clock tonight for our Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Could still see another 2 to 4 inches of snow. And in terms of snow totals, Copper by far the winner with 22 inches of snow. Breck with 16, Silverthorne 10 inches of snow, Eldora with 8, Winter Park 7.5, and Keystone with 7 inches of snow. And if you want to hit the slopes and you're wondering where you can go, well, there's only a few places so far. Right now we only have Wolf Creek, A Basin, and Keystone open, but by November 8th, we're looking at Breckenridge and Copper. Of course, with Copper getting all that snow, they want to open up. Of course, these are subject to change, but at least as of now, those are the next 2 to open. So future cast for tonight, there's still just a little bit of light snow in parts of the high country by this evening. This is finally clearing out of the southeastern part of the state, and we should have clear conditions here in Denver, most likely sunshine on Tuesday morning, and then most of the day is dry in the mountains, but as we head into the afternoon, there's another surge of snow coming our way. Could have some rain for the evening commute on Tuesday, so something to watch out for if you like to vote in person. Most of the day tomorrow will be dry, but in the evening there will be chances for some rain, and then that will turn to snow for us and sticks around through Wednesday morning. A couple of waves of some banded heavy snow are possible, and we could even see that snow last into the afternoon. So it could be our first real snowy commute of the season so far. So just know that there's a potential for Wednesday morning's morning rush to be extra dicey out there. So we have this area of low pressure kicking out of here. There's another one dropping in on Wednesday, and that's going to be our weather maker on Wednesday. And then this is where things get interesting. We're watching for more snow to come our way later this week. This is most likely going to turn into a cutoff low, and what that means is it's not connected to the jet stream, so it kind of wobbles around. Where this ends up is still to be determined, and that will make the big difference in where we see the heaviest snow. So there's a potential for heavy snow here in Denver on Thursday night into Friday, but it all depends on where this area of low pressure eventually ends up. Right now we're in the 40s across the Front Range and Eastern Plains, 20s, 30s in the high country, and as we take a look at our super 7-day forecast, Wednesday's the first alert weather day with that snow expected in the morning for our morning commute, and then on Tuesday taking a look at our election forecast. Again, most of the day is a-okay. Once we head into the afternoon, we're in the 50s. It's nice, but 7 o'clock hour, we do have the chance for some rain out there. And then into the weekend, we're looking at snow possible as we head into Friday, and maybe a little bit lingers on Saturday.
Pretty active. Lauren, thank you so much. Coming up, a pretty rough outing for the Broncos.